So now let's see how we can utilize actions inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So to utilize actions, you can go around onto the window menu, and then here you can see actions is an option. So once you go around over here, the action opens up, as you can see, and there's different actions that you can apply right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around over here, and then I'm going to add in, let's say, for example, make 4% thinner action, press the play button, and what happens is that it becomes 4% thinner, as you can see. So actions are pre-made collection of steps that allows you to click once, and then it'll be applied right here. Let's say, for example, if I were to go to sepia toning with green, you can press the play button, and then what happens is that a set of steps is executed so that the action is seen, as you can see, just like this. You can go around, delete the action as well, or if you have an action downloaded from different websites, you can go around over here onto the menu, and you can go around and load action and load those actions onto the a place as well. Let me just go around over here and delete out the layer and go to go to this layer right here. So you can see that there's different options. So you can add, let's say, for example, black right here. So you can go around and you can see that it's adding in 1 inch right here, just like this. You can go around and utilize resize and crop over here as well, and resize and crop it to specific sizes right here just by clicking it once. And that is how you can go around it. You can turn it into an instant snapshot right here, just like this as well. And there you go. You can see that it changes the size out. You can go around, add in faded ink with vignette right here, just like this. And that is what you have. So this is what you have, as you can see. So you turn it into a picture, add it in a design, just with a few clicks. So that is how you can utilize the actions inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe